So this is something we're going to discuss in tonight's video, because for those of you that have been in these kinds of relationships where your ex wanted you back, ex-narc that is, and chances are, if it's your ex that wants you back, after doing what they've done to you, the chances are they're probably a narc to begin with. So that's what we're going to discuss. And their thought process that goes into all this stuff, which is going to give you guys a ton of answers here. When you improve yourself, guys, when you improve yourself, and before all that, you might have been a very good source of supply for a narcissist. Therefore, when things end, it gets pretty bad for you, and at the start of them leaving you, they feel good about their decision, which makes it difficult for you to process because you did nothing but good for them. You did lots of stuff for them, and they just, for whatever reason, they want out of it. They want out of it. They don't want you no more. They might have sucked the life out of you and things ain't fun no more, so they want out because it's not what they want anymore. Therefore, it was never true love. And if you guys are dating a narcissist, it was never true love. It was all about how they felt. It's all about how you made them feel. That's all it is. So they can leave you at any moment. Things aren't perfect. If you have gone through something like that, and then you went through a healing phase, you've come back to the person you were, and even better, this is going to be a triggering thing for them. Because they thought they damn near killed you, bro. That's what they thought. How could this guy ever come back from this? So when you do, that shows them that they actually were the problem. Here's the thing about these narcs. They never think they're the problem. They'll blame everybody else for every single little thing. Da 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 da. This wasn't that. That wasn't this. You're not good enough. You're da 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 da. It's all a bunch of BS. They're not nice people. They're very cruel. You guys just can't let them get in your head. You can't. You cannot let them get in your head. You have to remain who you are as a human at all times. You can't let them do certain things to actually get in your head. They can do things to affect you. There's one thing where they can affect you. There's another of getting in your head to make you believe certain things that aren't even true, which that's where they got you. It's not that they said words to you that hurt your feelings or whatever might have happened, because you can just eventually laugh that off and it's whatever. You know who you are. You know who they are. They did something completely out of character, but you get it at least. Sometimes, bro, these people can abuse you and they get in your head. Like, you start to believe that you're a monster or you're the issue or something like that when they actually are. They are gaslighting you. They are crazy making. And it's a terrible process. So, fast forward, you're on your healing process. You're in your healing phase. You heal. You're now the healthiest you've ever been. You're the happiest you've ever been. You got that cancer out of your life. You're now thriving. This is when it all comes back on top of them like a ton of bricks, guys, like a ton of bricks. You're showing them that you were actually that damn good all along. You're even better without them. This makes them rage. This makes them so angry. You guys wouldn't believe it. That pisses them off so much. They just feel this need to just get at you again, to control you again, to start to say things to you, belittle you, and they want you back down below them. They don't want you up, bro. They don't ever want you up. They want you down. They don't want you up. They want you fucking down in the dumps. So they can feel better about themselves, because if you're down, okay, someone else is miserable just like me. That's how they think. It is sick. It's because they are sick. They are sick in the head. Something else these narcs will do, they will pretend to be happy for your happiness when they are the most envious. They see things in you that they wish existed in themselves, bro. I've had people that faked happiness for me, and I felt it, bro. I genuinely felt it. It was not real. I didn't even appreciate the things they said with their words that were nice, because I could feel it, bro. It wasn't genuine. If it was, I'm always appreciative to people who say kind things and nice things. I could tell it was not. It was that obvious. So I can't feel appreciative if I know someone is just saying that to try to still be on good terms with me, when I know deep down they're actually a fucking demon, bro. They're a monster. They're the real monsters. They have issues. They have problems. They are narcs. Covert ones. Covert narcs. And they will try to haunt your life. They will keep tabs on you. They will spy on you. They will stalk you, your socials. They'll do all those things. They get possessive. They get weird, bro. They get creepy about everything. And back to what we were talking about. When the narcissist realizes you are never coming back, it is the best revenge you will ever get in your entire life. It feels so damn good, bro. You guys wouldn't imagine the satisfaction of your past ex-narc coming back and you saying, nah, straight up no. You give them no power. You don't open the door even a millimeter. It's a no. I'm good. And you keep living your life. They now have to deal with rejection, which is another massive trigger to these people. Yup, everybody clap. They got rejected. They got what they could damn well deserve. And you get to walk on in your life. You have no attachment towards them whatsoever anymore. You are looking at them like a clown. And it's because they clowned you. They did you dirty, guys. They did you dirty. Dirty. They wanted to destroy you inside and out. They just craved to do it, and they picked you. The funny thing is, you did not pick them. They picked you to do that too. You saw them completely differently. They saw you as their next victim, and you're going to pay for what they've been through. And I'm going to destroy you because I am destroyed. I am hurt. I'm going to hurt you now. Since I am, you are too. And they're going to bring you down and drag you down through the fiery pits of scorching hell. If you let them. That's the thing. You don't let them. You don't let them take you down there. You don't. Once you realize what you're dealing with, guys, you have to get out. You have to get out. Things are going to keep happening, and it's going to mess with your head so much. You can't think straight. You can't operate or function properly. You can't do none of that shit. It's going to be a massacre. It's going to be hell. You guys don't understand. For those of you that have been through it, you understand. For those of you that haven't, people would think the things we're saying is crazy. It's because they've never been through that. They've never actually been abused by a narc. It's all covert. Nobody else knows it's happening but yourself. Nobody else. Even when I was with my past ex, covert narc, many other issues as well, nobody else knew. Her own friends did not know what she did to me. Her family didn't know. Mine didn't know. My friends didn't know. I try to even, bro, tell them as time kept going on what was going on. They don't understand because they've never been through something like that before. They don't get it. No one's going to get it but you because you're the only one that's dealing with it. Even if you're with an narc and behind closed doors, the abuse is going on, If you go out there in public around other people, everyone's going to think the narc you're with is such a nice person. Oh, they're so sweet. They're so kind. All this stuff. Like, that's the messed up thing. That's why they make it so hard for you to tell anybody what goes on. They treat everybody else nice, but you're the victim. They have chosen you to abuse. They have chosen you to make you their little pet, to control you, to do all those things. They have picked you to do that too. It's up for you guys to see that. That's what it's up for you guys to do, is to see that. See it, recognize it, cut it off, get out of there, bro. I don't care who it is. I don't care if you're some dude that's kind of on the scruffier looking side or something and you got some female that's decently good looking or something and you feel you can't do better. And you're still with her because you feel you can't do better, but she's abusing you. Cut that off. Cut it off, bro. In no way, shape, or form is that situation worth it. It is not worth it at all. Your well-being is much more important than that psychopath. Much more important. Very much so. And like I was saying, the funny thing is how much power you gain over them. When you cut them off for good, you cut them off for life, and they know it's coming, and they know it's happened because you've completely flat out rejected them. And they feel so powerless. They feel so empty. You feel so powerful. They feel so powerless. Because you have moved on with your life. You're happy now. You're in a good place. You have zero attachment towards that person ever. Like, you don't have it anymore. And they feel this anxious feeling towards you where they want to trap you, they want to get you, they want to abuse you again, they want to do these things, but they're not going to make that obvious if they come at you again. Because, bro, I'm telling you right now, I've been with a past person before, my ex. A bunch of time went on after all that stuff went down, because they try to do as much as they can, bro, to make you feel miserable. Some of them will go so far, they'll try to make out with one of your friends right in front of you. They'll try to make out with a stranger right in front of you just to, like, cause damage to your soul. That's how hurt they are, bro. They will try to do that to you. That is how hurt some of these narcs are out there, bro. And if they're a narc, they're obviously hurt. They're fucking hurt inside. They're going to try to hurt everybody else because they are hurt. They're damaged. So they're going to try to do the exact same shit to you. That's what y'all have to understand. There is no winning with a narc. There is no winning with them whatsoever. It's not going to happen. It'll never happen. You win by healing, letting go. You don't have to met them and reject them and, oh no, like, F you, I'll never get back with you, blah, blah, blah. You don't throw it in their face. You stay stoic, you stay calm. I'm good. You keep living out your life. That will get in their head far more than feeding their fire. You don't do that. You stay calm. You keep being the man you are and the man you always were before all that happened. Or female, like whatever situation you guys are in. It could be the opposite. It could be the reverse. You keep doing your thing. Things are going to get much better. And if you fall for that bait, because like I said, the past person I was with, they try to come back 3.5 years later. And they come up all nice again and stuff. Oh, all sweeten it up, trying to butter it up. I'm just not falling for it. I ain't falling for this again. It's impossible. I would have to be stupid to fall for that again. Like brain dead. You can clearly look at them with no strings attached. Just, no, I'm good. Like, it's not happening again. I'm good. I'm moving on in my life. And that's that. Bro, you have just caused the biggest narcissistic injury of all time to that person that you've rejected. They're going to take a while to get over you after that, because the more you heal, the more they start to like grow back towards you. Like their feelings and stuff start to grow towards you, but it's a trauma response. It's not real feelings of empathy towards you and all this shit. It's trauma. They start to feel things towards you again because you have healed. You're once again what they wanted first, before they destroyed you. A narc will come in your life, completely annihilate you, completely destroy you, take off because you're not even what they want anymore. And once you go on and heal, now you're what they want again. They don't get it, bro. They don't understand what they even can do. Like, it's out of this world. They're so lost, they're so damaged, they're so unself-aware, they don't even know. But the most important thing here, guys, is that you know what's going on. You can't be with. Your confidence is too high. You've done too much work. You know too much. You've been through too much. And you're just that guy or that woman now who can't be touched. People can do little things, and sure, things can rub you the wrong way a little bit and whatnot. You're not just perfect all the time, but you can't be drugged down to those depths again. You're too wise, you're too slick, you're too smart, you're too switched on. It just cannot happen again. But anyways, guys, I hope this video could help. We're going to end this one there. If any of y'all need my help, you can get a hold of me. We can set up a coaching call. We can do whatever y'all want. And with that being said, God willing, God bless. We'll see y'all at the top.